Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 116th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. And wow, what an interesting day today. We had about 4 different thumbnails to choose from, but we didn't know which one to use, so kind of put some together. But first off, just north of the building, we see what looks like wood forms or something kind of making a square in the dirt area. From far away, it looked like it was hoses or pipes, and then when we zoomed in, we could see that all the pieces are the same length, except for the ones that are right on the corners, which are actually rounded. So it almost looks like forms that are about to be laid out for something. So could this be the 50,000 square foot building that was mentioned in the Bosch deal? I don't know. No idea, but it'll be interesting to see what comes out of this. We also saw several large tanks sitting on a trailer where the tent is. In the past, we've heard from some viewers that this may be related to hydrogen production or storage. Now we see a large storage tank. You can see the warning signs on one end of the tank warning that there is something volatile in there. Can't see what. I'm going to assume that this must be for storing hydrogen. They're currently building alpha FCEVs in there, the trays. If you have a hydrogen truck, you got to fill it up. And you create a new truck and you're like, okay, turn it on. Well, we don't have any hydrogen. We can't turn it on. Well, okay, let's go fill it up at the hydrogen tank. That's why you need to have on-site hydrogen. That way, as soon as you finish a truck, you can turn it on and make sure it works. You're not going to ship it out to get it filled up. So things got a little weird also when we saw what looked like crop circles or like a skydiving landing area in the test loop. But no, really, they painted lines on the test loop and circles in the test areas for testing so that they can do the NASCAR thing and just go in circles. I would assume that's for driving in circles and testing the handling of, see how much, I don't know. But they've got circles out there. So it's going to be interesting if we can catch something out there driving around in circles or driving up those roads. The lines that are on the ground, it looks like they may have a little bit more to go. I'm wondering if they put the lines in there. Maybe there's something in the future coming with lane assist, and you got to have lines painted in order to keep things lined up. So that might be what that's for. That could be interesting. See what comes out of that in the future. In the steel area, we can see that they're starting on the roof panels. They're already putting in the panels while the trusses are going right into the next section. So they're moving along there. In the water campus area, there's rebar laid out all along the wall sections. I think that the additional blocks are for the water campus, and the walls are going to go higher just by the way everything's laid out. So I know last video I was talking about where are all those blocks going to go. I think they're just going to make those walls higher. So lots of new things to see today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to see more content like this in the future. And you can follow us on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. And thanks to all of our Patreons for the support you give us. We do appreciate you guys. Now let's go fly.